Okay, so I've done both of my collages now. I did one with felt tip pen, so where I used felt tip pen, and one with biro. I actually, even though I know I said I wasn't sure about the felt tip, I actually really like the blue, and so I probably prefer the lines of the biro, but I like the blue that's come with the felt tip. Sorry, that's my husband just coming in. And so now I'm going to move on to doing another collage, and I just thought that I would concentrate on just the circles because I've still got quite a lot of stuff left. So I've put my spare triangles and squares into my scrap box. And then I'm just going to concentrate on the circles, and I'm going to try cutting into them and doing a few different things. So probably quite similar to what we did when, or if you did it, what you did with the leaves in the style of Kristen Mayer. I've just remembered that I sorted these out into size and now I've ruined them. So yeah, so I'll speed it up and then I'll show you what I did and how it came out. Okay, so I've finished my circle composition, and actually halfway through putting the pen on, I decided that I didn't like the pen at all and I wish I'd left it with nothing on. So just as the collaged up circles, but I really like how it looks and kind of the simplicity of using one shape but trying to use it in different ways. So where I've cut out like the donuts, and used and collaged up things in different ways. I really liked that. I actually, as well, at the bottom of the page, just because we've done, if you do a page like this, you've got quite a lot of work on there. So if I don't know whether you can see it, but like, you know, you've got the two collages, so you've got one where you might have done something, but actually you've made all of those papers as well, or a lot of them. So whether it's through rubbing or creating those textures. So I've just put a couple of notes at the bottom, basically saying what I've said on the video, just about the pen and just about what kind of pen I liked and what qualities of the paper I liked. So I really like the way when this one, because it's a thin paper, so if I've got any spare, so it's really like tissuey. It just means that when you put it over a different texture, you can still see the texture coming through, which I really like. And even with the little leaf textures, I think that's really, really lovely. And so I liked that, and I liked that kind of combination. And I actually think that this patterned paper with the texture on looks really good as well. So yeah, so I'm quite happy with how this has turned out. And I just thought, do some little notes on there, because then you're kind of fulfilling loads of assessment objectives in that way, because you're evaluating your work at the same time as well. So if you're aiming for high marks, do not, like, you know, when I go through it, I'm not annotating these things, but and all this, but like a little bit of annotation goes quite a long way. And if you're aiming for a higher mark, I would do a little bit, but that's all I've written, and it's plenty. All right.